The Van Cleef and Arpels Alhambra collection is one of those classic and instantly recognizable iconic collections that will always be in style and includes necklaces, earrings, bracelets, rings and watches. From black onyx to mother of pearl to precious stone and my favorite, the diamonds, set in gold, rose gold or 18 karat white gold. How did Van Cleef and Arpels Alhambra collection get its name? So the Alhambra collection was launched back in 1968 and the first piece was their long necklace. The collection is said to be named after the Alhambra Palace in Granada, Spain, and if you haven't been, add it to your bucket list. It's absolutely beautiful. And the four-leaf clover is also a timeless symbol of good luck. Why is the Van Cleef Alhambra collection so popular? Well, Van Cleef and Arpels is so popular because of its quality and it's the most well-known. What are the different Van Cleef and Arpels Alhambra collections? So the collection keeps getting expanded on, but currently these are the 7 different collections that all fall under the Alhambra name. The Pure Alhambra, the Sweet Alhambra, the Vintage Alhambra, the Lucky Alhambra, the Magic Alhambra, which is the long necklace that I'm wearing, the Byzantine Alhambra, and the Alhambra timepieces, which is the watch I'm wearing. So how can you style Van Cleef Alhambra necklaces and jewellery? It is a really good collection that works for both day and night, and the necklaces and bracelets look beautiful when layered and stacked. It's one of those collections that you can build on over the years and they will never go out of style. You can wear them during the day to dress up a top and jeans, or you can wear them with a simple dress, or wear the diamond iterations to more formal occasions. Where's the best place to buy Van Cleef Alhambra collection? So the best place to shop for Van Cleef and Arpels is obviously in their boutiques. If you visit them, let them know Eve Dawes sent you so that they can take good care of you. You can also call Neiman Marcus as they do offer them, or you can check out second-hand options. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe. And next up is the Van Cleef Fauna collection.